Hello friends, my name is Major and today I am going to show you how to fix Homelite 3514 chainsaw. If does not turn on, most of the time this has a air line, fuel line and is broke. I will show you how to look it up and how you can fix it. Keep continuing please. First you open the cap for the fuel and then open the other cap this side too as well. So that says barb oil, and you can pour this fuel to in this container. I already did it. So now you open this one screw, two screw and three screw. Let me open it and I'll go after that. When you open it, you need a this type screwdriver. I don't know what is this exactly called, but this is the one it takes, not a regular flip like this one. This doesn't take, unless you have a Allen wrench. It takes Allen wrench also. You see probably in this have a fuel line in there. So this is, you see, this is broke down. So now you have to tab this one new line from, you can see right here, from tank to that far up to the carburetor. I already have this fuel lines is different size. This is different, this is different, this is different. I already pre-order it. So when you want to put back into the tank hole right there, I don't know if you can see or not, but hopefully you can see through it. And you can cut it very little right here, make it sharp like needle. Then you can put them in there, and then you can pull this side by the plier or something. If you can pull by hand, I don't think you can do by the finger, but you can pull by the plier like this, and then you can pull it. So when you pull this out was your filter, and now you can connect it back like this. You see how we did it? So that's already ready to go. Now you can pull it back as you need. You can leave this piece in here, and you can measure right there and cut right there, and then stick back over there. Stop cutting, Mark. Into this position. Just you can put the gas back in here to test it before you put back everything together. And now you can prime it. I think you had to put the cap on there, or you have to add more gas in there. Put the cap on, make sure it's tight, no leakage. And now you can prime it. Let's see what's up. बंद कर दे. So now make sure you clean out all the way this dirt, whatever you see in it. If you have an air compressor, the way I have it was this line coming up, and you can do it And more cleaner is the better, because that way it doesn't. Close your eye, baby. That way it doesn't catch the dirt into that fuel when you put the fuel or oil. It takes special bar oil, this one. So make sure don't put some different oil in there. That'll be safer to run longer life. And this is take also is a 2-cycle oil. You have to mix with the 2-cycle oil. If his oil is low, you can add into this. Let me show it to you. Like this. I hope you can see through it. If doesn't, then I don't know how I can provide. But you can pour the oil. Once you see the full closed ladder come or something, that means it's good full. This is already filled up with the 2-cycle oil, so let's give it a shot. Also start it up. That's the last bolt. So this is the way you say. And make sure it's locked or unlocked right here. Let's see if it's come on now. You pull the choke and now go turn off the thing. Ready? So you put this on the ground, put the feet on there, and pull the choke. Let's see. So now we're ready to pull the choke out, and we did prime 5 times, and then to see if it come on. Ready? Chal diya? It came on, looks like. So now you turn off the choke to see. Wow! So much fish. So finally it came on. You have to put the 2-cycle in there a little more because it's making a smoke. Okay, bus. So thank you for your watching to us. This is Mr. Mark Sumo, and
thank you for watching our video to fix a chainsaw.
If you like it, give him some comments, and if you need to add the 2-cycle the way I say, this is the 2-cycle. I don't have a label on there, but you can tell this is the 2-cycle container. It's a small little bit container. If it's, oh, here's the thing. This was a label on there. It's too much sun right now, can see through it, and you can add directly into this, so that way it change the color to blue. Thank you for watching. Any question, give us a touch. I appreciate to watch our video.